Ria Moi wa Kibaki oire wathani mwaka wa 2002 kuri tariki 13 undu wa mbere ekire amikire education free primary education kwa miaka 10 iria Moi wa Kibaki athanire. Na gatagati-ini ka miaka 10 Kibaki athanire ri kumiki githomo free ri ahuthirire bilioni 320 320 billion Kenyan shilling gutigirira ati itena-ini ria miaka 10 kwina kindu gitagwo free education. Now hindi iyo ri namba ya arutwo guku bururi-ini yari 5.9 million, above the 5 million mark. Thaa ici ri the finance bill ira irathomirwo thiini wa the National Assembly ni minister wa kigina mundu gwitwo John Mbadi arathomire budget ya over 4.8 trillion Kenyan shilling igifundwo ni debt kana deficit ya budget iyo iri ya 1.1 trillion. Point yakwa ndiri hau, my key point iri haha, education ika githomo kinengeretwo 720 billion Kenyan shilling irirathi thiini wa sector ya education. And mind you, thaa ici githomo ni kiongererekete thogora. Mundu uri college na mundu uri university no akwire uria marariha mbeca nyingi to an extent that arutwo ni mararemwo nginya gwikimu. Niki most of budget ino ya education no igo 720 billion ni cirathi go fund infrastructure cia mutaratara twarehire thiini wa bururi twa Kenya uretwo CBC, mutaratara uregucia muno ta Mzee Kombe twarie ma, mutaratara utaramenyeka na njira njega atiriri urorete ha. Na 844 yari na mahitia, nie mawoni makwa ni sha, mawoni maku ndio ni ukunyandikira hau thiini wa comment section. Compare 320 billion for 10 years and 720 billion for a period of 1 year. Ujire atiriri nire githomo gibati gukorwo free. And I know your point of argument igukira haha. Hindi ya Kibaki kori na arutwo 5.9 million. Thaa ici ri kwina over arutwo makiria ma 900 ama milioni 900. So there is almost a triple increase in digit ya arutwo. Sawa ni sawa, tutike increase tuge atiriri 320 billion to double by 2, 320 by 320 ukuona shiroka 640 billion Kenyan shilling. 640 billion Kenyan shillings ni enough to make education free. Ureko Kibaki ni ahuthire 320 to make education free for 10 years ri. Then President William Ruto akihuthire 720 billion to make githomo at least free for a period of 1 year. So my argument iri niki kiratuma githomo gitigakorwo free, whereas we have a sufficient budget ya gutigirira ati maundu macio githomo ni giakorwo gigituo free and fair kuri mundu wothe, tondu it's the basic thing a society iginengerana kuri ruciaro rwayo nigetha gutigirira ati ruciaro ruru rwa society ruroka ni rwa improve the status of that society in years to come.